Hi guys, this is Andrea again, and today I'm doing unboxing of the miniature gilded tarot royale. I just received it from the Amazon, and I'm just going to show you for comparison. This is my second miniature, so it's slightly smaller, which I actually like. So if you compare it to my hand, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's really tiny. I have a small hand, so this is perfect for the purse. Okay, let's open that. So it still have the plastic, as you can see. So I'm just going to open it. I'm going to use the scissor here and see if I can unwrap it. Okay. So I don't see the booklets, so it doesn't have the booklets, but it has just these two cards there. Okay, so this is the card. So it looks like the original ones, like a big versions as well. So this is them. Yeah, the artwork is so beautiful. I love his cards. I have the other one, the original gilded ones. Some of the cards are actually the same. Like this one, the strength is the same one. So I'll show you everything. It's so beautiful. I hope the camera it's okay and you guys can see it okay. Death. It's again the same. Some of the artwork is exactly the same as a gilded one. Some of them are different. Like this is different. The moon. Sun. The judgment. Yeah, it's beautiful. I love it. I guess you don't really need a booklets. It's just a nice piece of collections, and I like that they actually made a miniature ones, because for quite some time I was looking for the mini tarot and I couldn't find it anywhere. I only had three decks, so this is quite new that they did this, which is awesome. So there you go. I'll speed it up a little bit. Oh yeah, that's so beautiful, so colorful. As you guys know, I'm all about the colors. So I would recommend it to any of the tarot reader to have this deck. And it's so tiny, which is perfect for the purse. So you can take it anywhere, or you can put it in your pocket and you can do the readings anywhere. Or if you have any questions, you can just do it for yourself. See the energy of the rooms or whatever you need to know. It's so nice. So I always look at the YouTube and look at the decks before I buy it, because I want to see the card by card, and that way I know if they resonate with me or not. I hate when you go to the store and they have the cards there, but they won't let you look at them. I think you need to look at them, and you need to see if it resonates with you. Because I bought lots of tarot which I have, and they don't resonate, so they just sit on my shelf. I just like the case or whatever, right? So that's it. So this is the backings. So again, it's the same as the original one. And just for comparison, so you guys can see, so this is the size of the miniature, and this is of the size of the original gilded one. So it's quite a difference. It's quite a difference. So as you can see, the original one, they do have the borders, which the miniature don't, which I like. I love it. So I hope you guys liked it. Give me thumbs up, and see you next time.